Pro tip number 3. So often I have buyers that are wanting to look at fixer-upper properties, and they have fantasies about how this is all going to be transformed. Some of them, it's okay for them because they're willing to accept the way it is now and live in it and fix a little bit at a time. But those people that have to have everything perfect, I worry about, because if they're not doing all the work themselves, then they're hiring contractors, and then where's all that money coming from? Often this ends up being credit card debt that they've run up trying to fix the place up, and then a little bit later they come to me with a problem and then they want me to sell, and I'm selling too soon, it might not be the right market, and then possibly they might lose money. I'll help you plan accordingly as we go through the home buying process.